everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the rhythm turn. So this one's really fun to do. I love doing these nice and quick, so I'm going to break it down for you here. So usually these start with a riff, but you can also start them with a shuffle, and I'm going to show you both of those ways to do it. So the main goal here is to get a turn around using lots of sounds with your heels and toes. So the main part of it is that turn, right? So you're going to cross over, somehow crossing over in some way, and I'll get to that in a minute. You're going to end up here with your legs crossed, right over left. We'll start right over left. What you want to think about here, once your legs are crossed, is you want to drop your right heel first. That's the one that's up here, the one that just stepped over. So you want to drop your right first, then your left, and then your right toe, and your left toe. And essentially that should get you all the way around in a nice turn. So it should go right, left. Once you drop that left heel, make sure you have your right toe up and ready to go. Right toe, and then left. I ran out of space here. So essentially you're wanting to get a turn around those heel and toe drops. So the way you get into it, with a riff, which is the common way of doing it with a riff, you're going to start with a 3-count riff, right? So from here, let me see if I can show you this way. Step, scuff, heel. Okay, from here, you're going to brush step over with your right foot, crossing over left. Okay, so again, it's 3-count riff, brush step over. Okay, from here, this is where you're going to do the heel, toe, toe. So you're going to drop your right heel, then your left, then your right toe, and then your left. Okay? So again, with that riff, you're going to go 3-count riff, brush step, then right heel, right toe, left toe. Okay? So try it again with me here. We have 3-count riff, brush, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay, so with every heel that you get, so when you do your heel, you want to start rotating your feet and then start rotating again when you do your toes. Okay, so about halfway through the turn, you're going to drop your heels to get you halfway around the turn and then drop your toes to get you the other half of the way around. Let me show you left side now. So now left side is going to start with that 3-count riff, brush step over. Now, instead of dropping your right heel first, you're going to drop your left heel first, then your right heel, then your left toe first, and right toe. So it's just the opposite, right? So again, brush step, then left, right, left, right. Let me see if I can show you a back view of this. So back to right foot, 3-count riff, brush step, then right. I didn't make it all the way around because I have too small of a board. Same on the left side, 3-count riff, brush step, left, right, right. Okay, easier for me to go sideways. So let's try a little bit faster here. So the main thing you're speeding up are those heel and toe drops to get you all the way around, but you're also going to try to speed up that 3-count riff, brush step. So every part of it is going to start speeding up here. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try left side here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nice job. So like I said, you can also use a shuffle to get into these. So when you do the shuffle, so you're not going to have the 3 sounds of the riff, right? So it's just going to be a brush, brush, step, crossover. So this one can be done a little bit slower. This might be for a little bit more beginner, I guess, big beginner step. So from here with your right foot, you're going to shuffle, step over, shuffle, cross, and then step over. And then same deal with the heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay, so again, it's just a shuffle, cross, step, Then heel, heel, toe, toe. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Sorry, that last one was bad. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. My board is a little bit too small. Hopefully, if you're practicing these, you have a bit of a bigger space here. Let's try left side. So, shuffle, step, cross over. Then left, right, left, right. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so like I said, these are the slower version, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, yeah? Whereas the riffs can be done as the more advanced, faster version. And they would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, yeah? Or the counts would be, well, let's see. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And somewhere around there. They should both be about 4 counts, yeah? So let me show you the back version of that shuffle step here. So right foot, shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. And left side we have shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. Sorry. Again, I almost fell off my board. When my toes and heels speed up, that means that I'm almost about to fall off my board. Okay, so let's try them even faster, just for the more advanced people out there. So back to the riff. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. I just realized I did right side when I was facing with my left. Again, try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now try left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Nicely done. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.